Wait.
Why did I call you a jihad?
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Yeah? Move your hand or I'll break your face. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Why did I call him a jihadist? The answer is there. I did not respond. The answer was there. He assaulted multiple people already
Who did I assault?
in front of
Who did I
cameras.
assault? Who did I assault?
You beat me.
What did you call me? 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 Yeah, put it on camera. What did you call me?
Say it's already on camera.
What did you call me?
Sabr, shout into my ear.
What did you call me? What did you call me? What did you call me?
Mister,
What did you call me?
touching me again.
I'm gonna break your face in a minute.
No. Sabr. Be respectful. Are you kidding me? Teach respect to your haki. Teach respect to your haki. The 4-foot clown. Go and teach him. Go and teach him. Go and teach him respect. Be respectful. Go and teach him respect. If you want to teach respect, I have found you a lifelong student. Go there. Yeah, I clearly see you are panicking. Go.
Why would I panic?
Why did
Why
I
would I
go?
panic?
My dear friends.
Why would I panic?
Don't come into my personal
You are,
space. Come into
you
my
are
personal
nothing to
space.
me. You are nothing
into
to
my
me.
personal space.
You are nothing to me.
coming to my
I don't
personal
panic.
space.
You can meet me
coming
anywhere.
into my personal
But so
space.
be respectful. You got to
Jihadist,
people are
move
here.
on.
Be respectful.
Jihadist, move
You
on.
pedophile.
Jihadist,
Stand down in
move
street.
on.
Go to
Thank
Epstein
you.
Island.
Now, why do I call? Hey, don't steal things. Have some, at least don't steal. If you want a lollipop, we can give you lollipop. Give you 10p. Look at these clowns. Why do I call Muslims jihadists? Is that a slander to call Muslims jihadists? No, not at all. The Muslims are called jihadists in the Quran. The Quran says that every Muslim is a jihadist. That's what the Quran says. Now, when it comes to Met Police and brainwashing the Met Police, what do? Or jihad, we are proud of. And when it comes to showing up here, clearly you know what jihad means, and therefore you are offended. My dear friends, do one of two things, not both. Don't exhibit signs of schizophrenia. Stick to one idea. If you are a jihadist, say it boldly so the entire nation can wake up and video. All Muslims are jihadists. You better be. Because if you are not jihadists, and if you claim if you are Muslims, the Quran says you are munafiqs. And the Quran says munafiqs will get the same penalty as the kafirs. So my dear friends, the Quran also warns you that just because the nation that you are in, there are plenty of people that are opposed to you. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. He
can come wherever he wants.
Don't come near me. Don't
It's up
come
to
near
him.
me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Send an old man. Send an old man in the last few days of his life and cause trouble, thinking the Christian would disperse, because look at him, 90 years of age.
90.
Can I have a selfie?
95. Have a selfie. He's going to time is ticking, please. Please, the time is ticking. Please take a selfie. But before you breathe your last, my dear friends, I warn every single one of you, don't do what Muhammad did.
Which is?
If you do what Muhammad did, look at him. This is what would happen.
MashaAllah.
Can you imagine? This is the destiny if you do what Muhammad did.
Yes.
In contrast, do
you
what
do what
Jesus did.
Look at that Jesus. Look at that Jesus. Look at that Jesus.
This is not Jesus. No. This is not Jesus. Jesus like us.
Yeah,
Jesus like us, brother.
Worship a dead man.
Learn from
They
jihad.
worship a dead man.
You will
They
become
worship a dead
William
man.
Wilberforce.
Dead man. They
Abraham
worship
Lincoln.
dead man. They worship
forward.
dead man. It's a shaitan.
Look at him.
Look at the Satan. Satan Have you seen Satan?
He fled
Here is the
Pakistan.
Satan. Here is the
Because
Satan.
Satan tempted his God.
Yes, Satan. He's a Satan. He's
Why
a
did his next door
Satan.
neighbor wanted to
Have
kill
you
him?
got a Satan?
Because
He's
look at
a
him.
Satan. Satan.
Page.
Satan.
Is he going to use
Satan.
it for jihad?
Satan. Satan.
really a burden for
Satan.
jihad.
Look at that.
So his
Look
next
at
door
that.
neighbor
Look
said,
at that.
You are really crippling our jihad. We want to bomb, boom, boom, chop, chop, and you are disturbing. If you please stay away, you have disturbed me consistently. I am really.
This is
I am going to move away.
Yes, we can
Don't
go.
come
Yeah, move away. We want
You are an
Shaitan
old
to
man.
go away. We want Shaitan to go away. We want Shaitan to go away. We want to Shaitan to go
So
away.
any Muslim brave enough to step forward and provide us a solution for jihad would be lovely to have. Any brave Muslim.
You run away from a brave Muslim, brother. What are you talking about?
He's
You
violent.
said come here and then you run
He's
away.
violent.
Maybe you're not listening.
He's violent.
No, no,
I'm
maybe
more
you're not
violent than
listening.
him. Maybe I'll-
He's violent. He's
Look at
very
it.
violent.
Look
Very
at the
aggressive.
logic of this man.
Look, very aggressive.
I am
For the
asking-
old man.
One second.
Man, very aggressive.
Scared guy.
Very aggressive.
You're a
You're very violent. Very
Look at
violent.
him, look at him.
I can see Muhammad's spirit inside of you.
Am I aggressive?
Muhammad's spirit inside of you. I can see.
Oh, nice. You're Israel dog, yeah?
Look at that too.
He's just sucking up.
He's Israel's dog.
He's just sucking up.
You know what they do?
He's just sucking up.
Aggressive.
Disturbing. Excuse me, sir. I'll ask the nearest.
Be an elder. Sir, be an elder. Have some dignity. Be an elder. Have some dignity. Go on. Have some
Okay, move on.
dignity.
Don't come near. Don't come near. I will get
Have
the
some
nearest.
dignity. Be an elder. Go on. Help.
But if you can now give my space, thank you.
We need the zookeeper to take the clock.
Sir, have some self-respect.
Take this
You are an
clock.
elder. You are an elder. Have some self-respect and stop demon. Stop being a demon. Stop being a demon.
Yeah, you
Have
respect-
some pride and
yeah,
self-respect.
yeah.
You are an elder.
You are demon.
You are an elder.
Yeah,
Have
of course.
some pride
I
and
am an
self-respect.
elder.
I know it's difficult for you.
You respect me.
I know it's
Respect,
difficult
yeah.
for you because
Come on.
Muhammad taught you this. But you have to try. Try. You see, you demonic. You all demons. Be quiet, Arab. Be quiet.
Don't come near.
I respect you. You know how to suck on you. You know how to suck on you. You know how to suck on you. You're very good at sucking. Yes, I know.
him and they sink you stay away. Come on, man.
Ignore it. This guy is alcoholic.
The question
Because he has
I ask
What
was
that question?
is what is the solution for jihad? And the answer I'm told
Yeah.
is to look at another jihadi trying to disturb me at Speaker's Corner. Now to you, sir, what is the solution for
Oh my
jihad?
God, you asking yourself. This guy is alcoholic. He got drugs on him. He taking drugs. This guy, he got drugs.
And that guy told you to shut up, didn't he?
Exactly.
What is the solution for jihad? In other words, I'll give you a simple example. If you were to grab hold of the chief of Al-Shabaab by his collar right now, and if you need to teach him a lifelong lesson that he is a terrible man being a jihadist, what would you show from
Jihad
the
is
Quran?
nothing as a jihadist,
So please listen carefully.
according to Islam.
But please listen. But please listen.
Yeah.
If you grab
Take the
hold,
jihad out of context,
One
brother,
second,
yeah?
one
Jihad to work, jihad to study, jihad to
now
make a
jihad
living.
to listen,
okay?
and jihad to respond to
Don't.
my question.
You Christian people always make this
You know Al-Shabaab.
little things.
You know Boko Haram. If today Boko Haram is a terror organization, there are terror organizations.
You're Tamil
What?
Tiger.
Listen.
You're Tamil Tiger, yeah? What does Tamil Tiger
Don't
do?
be angry.
What does Tamil Tiger do?
Otherwise, you might be a
What does Tamil
jihadist.
Tiger
Please
do?
check.
They're Christian, no? They're no?
You should look
Question
at
is simple.
Hadith
Question is
and
simple.
Quran.
Question is
What
simple.
that says
But
about
question
jihad.
is simple. Question is simple. If you grab hold of Osama bin Laden by his collar
Yeah.
right now,
Yeah.
of course he's dead and gone, but let's say he's alive,
Yeah.
and you grab him by his collar and you make him sit down and you're going to teach him a lesson. You are a Muslim elder, you're going to teach Osama bin Laden a lesson, and you're going to tell him, jihad is terrible, it's not Islamic. What lesson would that be from the Quran?
The Quran doesn't say that you attack anyone and kill people, innocent people. It doesn't say that anywhere.
Listen carefully. Excuse me, my dear
It
friend.
says that fighting is allowed. Qatl is allowed.
You need to
if,
listen right
If you
now.
get attacked and your houses are taken or your religion is attended attacked, only then you're allowed to fight. Where does it say the word jihad
please
is not
listen.
even in the Quran at all?
Please.
It's just actually fighting for your survival.
Please listen carefully. The word jihad and the associated words such as mujahideen are there in the Quran. So don't gaslight. Others have read, you might not have read, or maybe you're trying to gaslight. So stay focused right now.
You can't take out of
Please,
context
show.
verses
And
from the
show,
Quran
show.
or out of verses from Hadith.
And this is why you need to stay focused.
Yeah.
You have grabbed Osama.
I don't understand your example.
But please listen.
Osama
But please
bin
listen.
Laden.
But please listen. But please listen.
Yeah, so he
but
wasn't
please
doing-
listen. But please listen. Osama bin Laden, I am helping you. I am grabbing him by his collar.
Yeah.
You are the great Islamic teacher.
No, I'm not.
Please listen. Okay,
Yeah,
anyway.
okay.
A little Islamic teacher
okay.
who knows the Quran, who clearly thinks he is wrong. So teach him a lesson, but don't give me your lecture. Show me from the Quran.
Here.
What did you show from
here.
the Quran?
Surah Al-Medina,
that he
verse
was
32,
wrong.
chapter 5, verse 32 in the
Show
Quran.
what?
Okay?
Listen.
This, here,
Whoa,
brother.
whoa,
Here.
excuse me.
You
Stay quiet.
want the answer? I'll give you the
Listen,
answer.
gentlemen, listen. Stop. What would you
Tell him.
Hey, listen.
Read this for him,
He
please.
is listening carefully. Just listen.
I know what you want. I'm giving you what
but
you want.
he needs to know. So listen carefully. What would you tell?
Here.
Hey, listen.
Camera.
Patience.
Here.
Patience.
Osama bin Laden tried to
What would
say-
you tell the
No, but it
jihad?
was a-
Of mischief in the land, it will be as if they killed all of
You
humanity.
don't,
There is your answer, my friend.
You should only attack the kafar if to defend yourself, and when they stop, you
Where?
stop.
In the Quran.
It says in the Quran.
Show in the Quran, please.
And you're not allowed
Get me
to
something
fight.
in the
You can't
Quran.
fight in the sacred places
Do you
like
know the
Kaaba,
Quran?
the Makkah, that kind of
Do you
place.
know the
You
Quran?
can't attack women. You can't attack children.
I like your ideas.
Yeah, so
But
that's,
before you
but
teach, you
can't-
become
you're
scold.
taking things out of context. That's what you're doing from the Quran and Hadith.
You haven't so far read anything from the Quran. Don't accuse before that falsely.
No.
This is called gaslighting. Islam.
That's what you're doing. Yeah.
My dear
No,
friend.
because the Quran
Listen,
doesn't-
one second.
Yeah.
I completely understand that Islam prepares people.
You know, Prophet
But
Muhammad
please,
did not do any fighting
listen
in
right
Mecca.
now.
He didn't do any fighting for 13 years. For 13 years,
You need to listen.
there was
right
no
now.
fighting.
You need to listen right now.
No fight.
Otherwise, look, if you don't listen right now, they're going to recruit you for the next Mickey Mouse stories. So please listen carefully. You need to engage in a serious manner.
Arul, what you need to do.
But now, what you need to do right now is to listen right now.
I've been listening.
No,
to
please
speeches.
listen.
Look, don't insult
What
other
is the
religions.
lesson?
Look, just
What is the lesson?
preach Christianity,
What
but don't
is the
talk.
lesson?
Don't insult
this is
Prophet
your
Muhammad
Muhammad
sallallahu alaihi
lesson.
wasallam.
I
Don't
preach.
insult
I
other
preach.
prophets,
What?
other religions.
Say what?
That's our religion.
Hey,
was.
look at this.
Our
Look at this.
religion says
I
that
am
you don't
asking
insult
questions.
other people's,
What would you do if I talk
holy
about
people? You don't insult other people's
What
holy
what
people.
Please listen.
Sorry? No, he was
I am
about
asking
Osama
questions
bin
about
Laden,
Islam.
Osama bin Laden.
Instead of
He was trying to say-
engaging in a sensible manner,
He's lying
he
and
is
deflecting.
doing what Osama bin Laden would do. What is that? He is saying that I am assaulting Islam.
Yes.
That I am doing terrible things to Islam. This is the false victim mindset
Yes.
that
Because you-
Osama bin
So
Laden
you don't
had.
read the whole verse.
This
You don't
is the
read the whole
false.
hadith. You show us.
Listen carefully.
Where does he
But
say
once-
you kill people?
Have you ever read the Quran?
We're not doing that.
Have you ever read the Quran?
No.
Have you ever read the Quran? Show me one ayat which you have struggled to do so far. One ayat somewhere.
I'm not a
so
scholar.
we can start a
but I know
conversation.
there is ayats in the Quran
Where?
which says you're not supposed to kill innocent people and only to defend yourself.
Where?
Everywhere written there is a kill.
No, you answer. You answer.
It says everywhere. It says kill. It's not
Because you're
answer.
taking things out of
Yeah.
context.
You haven't.
Okay, when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam he conquered Mecca, did he kill the people?
Which conquer Mecca? What are you
When
talking
he
about?
conquered Mecca, did he kill people?
Listen to me carefully.
He wants the Quran.
I'm
No, he only killed.
I'm
No, he didn't
responding.
kill the people.
I'm responding.
Give him from the Quran.
Yeah, please give him
Okay,
give
the
him from the
Quran.
Quran.
Yeah,
Yeah, please.
Surah Al-Medina.
Yeah.
Verse 32.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, let's
There,
read.
there we go.
Yeah.
This is the ayah.
Yeah.
Take verse 32
Shall we
and
read?
you'll see. No.
Shall we read?
Read it.
Come
Yalla.
on, let's read. Surah Al-Ma'idah, Surah 5, Ayat 32.
What Al-Maya?
It's Al-Ma'idah.
No, Al-Medina.
There's no Al-Medina.
Sorry, one second.
Surah Al-Madinah. Surah Al-Madinah.
It's called Al-Maida.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, okay. Please.
Al-Ma'idah. Sorry.
Oh, right. Yes. It's not Al-Medina.
Al-Ma'idah.
You
My
have this
bad,
right,
brother.
yeah,
I told you
Al-Makkah.
I'm not speaking. I'm just coming to join
Al-Jerusalem.
because you're asking this man something. I told you from the Quran.
Sure.
That's it. Khalas, see it.
Sure. Let's read. That's fine. You're a lovely man. You're beginning to engage. That's good. You are a friend. You're a fellow human being. We are fellow human beings, so we can engage. But can we read now?
Yalla, read it.
Let's read. So
Verse
Surah
32.
Al-Ma'idah, Surah 5, Ayat 32. Here, please here. I am reading. Because of that, we decreed upon the children of Israel
Yeah.
that whoever kills a soul, unless for a soul or for corruption in the land.
Yes.
So it says for corruption you can kill.
Yes.
For corruption.
For corruption.
Yeah. Do you know what the Quran?
Go America. It's a Christian country. If someone kills, what they put him on death row? Yes or no? Yes
But
or no?
listen carefully.
Yeah,
Are you
that's-
listening?
When you go America and you kill someone,
They're only talking
what
about the
happens?
leaders of the
I am
corruption.
here.
They're not talking about the
I
common
am here,
people.
sir. I am here.
Yalla, you ask something.
No, please once. Do you know?
If you cause corruption, yes, you die.
Please, yeah.
Khalas.
So we agree for corruption.
It's the law of the land.
Sure. Please listen. For corruption, clearly, according to Islam, we can agree. There is death penalty. We all agree.
Yeah.
Now the question is, what is corruption according to the Quran?
Yalla.
Do you know what corruption is according to the Quran?
No, you don't have death penalty
I
for
know
bribery
corruption.
and things
No,
like
one
that.
second,
No,
one
you're getting a wrong impression.
No,
No,
can
you
I
don't-
speak?
No, there's no death penalty
he's-
for
he's
bribery
responding.
or this kind of corruption.
Can I-
No.
please.
Some people who make trouble in the land. That's what it's been talking about.
What
They are
is
the
causing corruption? Please, my dear friend.
Hell.
Unlike you, I have studied the Quran, and in my book, The Coming Islamic Takeover of the West, in Appendix 21, I have given, my dear friend, do you see that? In Appendix 21, for the sake of completeness, I have given all passages where the word corruption shows up in the Quran. So we can all understand what corruption means according to the Quran. So if I go there, by an intelligent man, not like a Muslim, not a Muslim. So please here, please focus.
Brother, be quick because I want to answer
Sure,
you
sure.
with your own religion as well, yeah? Yalla.
Do you see this passages related to
I don't,
corruption?
what is this? I don't know who this is.
This is my book.
Oh, your book. You
I have
write this
written-
book?
Yes.
You write this book?
I have written a
Hey,
book.
brother, who are you?
I am
are you?
someone
Who are
who
you?
knows your Quran.
Oh, no, you don't
who
know the
knows
Quran.
Surah 5 is Surah Al-Ma'idah.
Okay, you know
And
your
you are
religion.
someone who thought
you know
Surah
the-
Al-Ma'idah
No, this is, I
was
made a
Surah
mistake. I made a
Al-Madinah.
mistake. I'm not God to not make a mistake.
don't even know there is no Surah
Habibi,
Al-Madinah?
Okay, I made a mistake. It's okay.
Excuse me,
Okay,
sir.
it doesn't matter.
I know Surah
Did I-
Al-Ma'idah.
did I-
You
sorry,
think
everyone.
it is Surah
Did I tell everyone I am here
Al-Madinah.
to share
And
my
therefore,
religion?
but please
No, I
listen.
didn't. So if I make
So
a mistake,
clearly,
it's okay. I can make a
can we
mistake.
between us agree?
Brother, I make a
I know
mistake.
better than you.
No, you don't
I
know
know
better than me.
it.
No,
I
you don't
knew
know.
it was
Because
Surah
if you know
Al-Ma'idah.
better than me, you wouldn't be arguing these cases, yeah? Same in your religion. What does it say about killing everyone?
In Appendix
Everyone.
21,
Yeah? The
in
Malachites.
Appendix 21, for all those who want to pay attention,
لا تخاطب الجاهلون.
unlike
man.
him,
I'm
my
sorry,
dear
brother.
friend,
You-
for all
He claims he's
those
got
who
quotes
want to
from
pay
the Quran and the
attention,
Bible in there.
Appendix 21, I have listed all references to the word corruption in the Quran, and guess what? According to the Quran, rejecting Islam is corruption.
Right.
Rejecting Islam is corruption, and that too particularly rejecting Islam
This is his word,
with
yeah?
shirk,
Wow.
i.e. being a Christian,
Right.
is one of the worst forms
Oxford Dictionary.
of
Freedom of
corruption.
religion.
So
Freedom
let's
of
read.
religion. You know
Let's
freedom.
read.
Freedom of religion.
Surah Al-Imran. Surah Al-Imran.
Right.
Surah Al-Imran.
Okay.
There's
Yes.
no
Let's
penalty
go
for
through a
corruption in
simple
Islam.
I
example.
want to listen.
You read it wrong.
I'm telling you.
Surah
You're lying.
Al-Imran.
Yeah, go on.
Ayat 62
Okay.
to 64. Indeed, this is the true narration. And there is no deity except Allah, the Islamic Allah.
Right.
And indeed, Allah is exalted in might, the wise. But if they turn away, then indeed Allah is knowing of the corruptors.
Right.
So what do we understand from this? Allah, the Islamic Allah, is the one true God according to whoever gave the Quran. And he says, if anyone turns away from the Islamic Allah, they are corruptors.
Same by the Bible.
I have turned away.
Don't, you are listening.
Whoa.
You got death penalty in the Bible.
Right.
There's death penalty in the Bible. For
In other
apostate.
words,
Come on, man. This guy, he makes
you ran away earlier, now you're returning.
So what are you doing?
According to the, do we both
What is the
agree?
point he's making?
Do we both agree?
English.
Do we both agree?
What agree? Agree what?
If you listen, you will.
Agree what?
If you listen,
Agree what?
if you listen,
Agree, tell me.
if you listen.
Agree what?
According to Surah Al-Imran, Surah 6.
Oh my
Ayat. Are you listening?
No, you
Are
don't
you
jump.
listening?
Don't jump.
I am
Don't
not
jump.
jumping.
Don't do this.
You are the only one.
Don't
I
play
am-
with the blue. Yeah?
Can I read?
No, don't read.
Surah Al-Imran, ayats 62 to 64, clearly decides or defines. Are you listening?
Brother, you know the Quran.
Clearly defines
Take your shahada.
that leaving Islam or ignoring Islam or rejecting Islam is corruption. We both agreed earlier.
No. It's not.
Describe.
I don't care about your.
This is the Quran.
You know,
This is the
corruption.
Quran.
Corruption. Yeah. Let's see what
Let's read.
corruption means. Yeah.
Listen me.
I'll give you.
Where?
This is Oxford.
Corruption, Oxford.
Listen me.
Oxford wasn't there when the Quran was put together.
No, you look for the what?
Baye. Listen me.
Okay, corruption in Arabic.
Listen
yeah?
me. Listen
Your
me.
asylum ban is coming soon.
Okay.
Until then, stay quiet.
Listen me.
And
Listen me.
if you
I'm
need
asking.
some
I'm
food,
asking. I'm asking.
stay in the corner.
I'm asking for you
you,
one
sir.
question.
Fasad.
To use.
Corruption in
Corruption.
Arabic. Fasad.
No. Corruption,
Corruption
here.
in Arabic
Your
is
Quran
fasad.
defines it.
Okay.
Do you understand the word
Fasad.
definition?
يلا عندي سؤال
You have the question. You have the
Do
question.
you understand
No.
that the Quran defines corruption?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
I'm sure.
I am showing a definition. I am showing a definition.
You're a Christian. yeah?
I am showing a definition. I
You're a
am.
Christian. yeah?
I am showing a definition for you.
So Jesus is
I am
God?
showing a definition. I am showing a definition for
Why
you.
not
I am
answer?
showing a
Why not
definition.
answer for me?
I am showing a
Why not answer
definition
me?
for you for what the word corruption means.
What do you think of Jewish people?
According to the
What do you
Quran.
think of Jewish people?
Precious people
Precious.
who are victims to people like you.
Precious people.
who are
they
going
spit on
around.
you. They spit on you. They spit on every
You are the
single-
only one spitting on me right
Listen,
now. So you stay quiet, please.
Listen, the Jews in Israel,
Can I
they spit
read
on
the
you,
space?
and they
Thank you.
disgrace you.
Can we read
They
this?
disgrace you.
Look
and
at him.
you
Look at
there
him. Look at
licking
him.
their bum. Allah, bro. You Christian people will never change.
at him.
Never change.
We allow him to
Yeah,
walk
yeah,
around
yeah.
our
Never
Christian
change.
country.
Never.
Answer me. Answer me.
What,
Hey,
what is
answer
See
me.
what is happening here.
Answer me. Answer me. Answer me.
Can you see?
Hey.
Catch hold of him. What is it?
Arabs are Semite.
Arabs are Semites? Please come and But
Oh.
stay at a distance.
Yeah, don't be scared. It's okay.
Arabs are Semites according to our scholar.
Yeah, I mean,
Provide evidence. Provide evidence for the claim that Arabs are Semites.
If I did, what Semites mean to you?
Don't threaten, give evidence.
Yeah, what Semites mean to you?
Give evidence for the
Semite
claim
means to you.
that
What
Arabs are
Semites Only
Semites.
the Israeli. Answer my question.
How many of you have understood the question? It is very simple.
not answer. He
You
not
can get
answer.
on with the response.
He not
He is
answer.
claiming
radio.
Arabs are Semites. Give me evidence for Arabs being Semites.
Radio.
What are the Semitic
Stop radio.
languages?
Stop radio.
What
Stop
are the
radio.
Semitic languages?
Is he going to give evidence sometime soon?
The Semitic languages are Arabic, Hebrew, Aramaic.
Hey, radio.
So these are Semitic. You are not
How
Semitic.
many of you
He is
have
Semitic.
understood the word
You
Semites?
are ignorant about the term.
Language grouping.
There.
Language grouping has nothing to do with the initial point he raised. If you want to claim and show yourself not as a joker at Speaker's Corner, know exactly at least what you claim.
Preaching.
Being a Semite is being of a particular ethnic category. I know completely there is Paul Williams, the clown, who has no clue about history, who claims that Arabs are Semites,
Have a conversation.
and maybe he heard Paul Williams the clown
Stop
to
lecturing.
show up here and claim that Arabs are Semites.
Stop lecturing.
If Arabs are Semites,
lecturing.
where is your evidence?
Have a
Did you bring any
conversation.
reference now?
Stop lecturing.
Did you bring any reference
Where
now?
is your evidence?
Did you bring any reference now?
Arabs or
Did you bring any
Semites
evidence?
is the claim.
What is
Where
Semite
is the
mean to
evidence?
you?
We don't claim Semitic anymore.
What does Semite mean to you? Israeli?
Just
What Semite means to you? Can you answer?
One last time, and I will move on.
Move away.
This is what happens.
Move
Look
away.
at
Are you
it.
threatening me? Move away. Go.
I am not threatening.
Do I care?
I am not threatening. I am merely telling you.
I'm moving away.
Have a conversation.
Move. Yalla.
Look at the level of intelligence. I say one more time I ask and I will move away. To him that's a threat. That's the level of intelligence. Growing up this way, something is clearly missing somewhere else. So let me repeat. One last time, I'll ask this question. If you don't give an answer at least this time, I will be doubly confirmed in the idea that you are an utterly clueless man, and you have confirmed the previous categorization that I've had for you, which is the asylum category. And so I'm going to ask one last time. You claimed that Arabs are Semites. My question to you is very simply based on your claim. Do you have any evidence to claim that the Arabs are Semites?
Yes.
What's your evidence?
You can do it.
Arabs are Semite,
Because
and you are sucking up for Israeli. An Israeli, they do not respect you.
In other words, he is utterly clueless, number one. And number two, he is an anti-Semitic. Look at the hatred of the Jews at Speaker's Corner.
Everybody knows that
Look
you are
at
the
that.
hater here.
Look at
Everybody
that.
knows that you are the hater.
I have asked,
Who is the Semite?
I have asked a question which is
Everybody
fact.
know you are the Islamophobe.
I have asked a question that would have required him to stay sensible, switch on the whatever switch that he needs to switch on, to get his brain to click suddenly and move like this. And if he had wanted a little bit more oil to his head, I could have poured oil so we can get the head to move quickly. But the question I asked was responded by anti-Semitism at Speaker's Corner. My dear friends, Keir Starmer, of course you are a Keir scammer and you're leaving. Thank you very much. But clearly Andy Burnham isn't going to be any better. This is what makes our nation to be in the terrible state that it is in. This one.
What nation you are?
He is
What nation
confused.
are you from?
He is
What is your
confused.
nation?
Confused. Like I said, terribly
What is your
confused.
nation?
Our nation is in the state that it is because people say at Speaker's Corner that our nation provides, and yet are utterly clueless. He doesn't even know where he is today. At this rate, he will not know his door number, and I would need to pay 10 pounds to a taxi driver and ask him to be charitable and take him home, whether chained or unchained, and drop him at his doorstep. That's what has happened to Speaker's Corner. Now, please listen to our milkshake and make your way to your home rather soon, because clearly spaces in asylum vans are limited in number.